See, great job. I'll just take a panoramic shot. Give me a moment.
Yes, there's few more things to go.
Few more things to
A
go.
lot of things I need.
Okay, boy, I got to run and catch the flight now. But I'm very happy staying
This is
awake
the
with
mirror
you
room.
after the
Where
match.
Voldemort displays his face and other students also do it. Then this is Pink Umbridge's office where she is the counselor of the school.
This one, wow. Pink Cambridge. She's dressed in pink. Amazing.
And next, this is defense against the dark arts, where this is a cannon and you need to shoot at these monsters.
Scanner.
Then down, you will see a secret message.
Yeah. The chamber of secrets has been opened. Enemies of the hair, be aware. Oh, lovely. You see, this moves, right? If I remember.
Yes.
Oh yeah, the moving staircases. I remember while doing
And
it.
even there's flying keys room over here.
What is this? Flying?
Keys room.
Amazing.
And this is a chessboard room. And
Chessboard. Wow.
headless, this
Okay,
is the-
Siddharth, this one is for you. The chessboard room. Arnav, he's been missing you again.
And this is the chamber of secrets where your snake is there. And at last but not the least, on the top the principal's office, Dumbledore.
Oh, and that's the golden owl, right?
Yes. And go from the other side.
Wait, this is so beautifully done. Yeah, this is a great job.
From the other side
One
now.
second. I'm coming there. That's the Chamber of Secrets. This is so nice. Wow.
And next comes the Whooping Willow.
Whooping Willow. Oh wow. I love the Whooping Willow, man. This is beautifully done. Wait, this is Hagrid Hut's, right? This is Hagrid's
Yes,
house, right?
this is the storeroom on this, and this is Hagrid's hut. And there is a huge bridge that connects both the sides of the castle.
I love the bridge, man. And
there's
who are
even
walking
an
on the bridge?
Underground bridge. There's even an underground
This
bridge.
is not underground, it's on the top of the ground only, but yeah, it's a level 2. It's a level 2 bridge, but lovely done. I like the way these glasses are done, the flames are put up, and the door opening, closing, the entire
Magnificent.
tower. Wow. And what is this on the tower, if I remember?
A dragon.
Dragon. Nice, man. Lovely. With a crystal opening, a crystal head. Beautiful done. See, this is indeed marvelous. Indeed marvelous, exquisite, unmatched, unparalleled. Yeah. Beautifully done. I loved every bit of it, and I loved working like at crazy hours, wee hours of the night to do it. Good job, boy.
Thank you.
Very soon you're going to qualify for another one, okay? This is a big one to do.
Pause it.
Chalo, bhago. Pause nahi, bhago.